Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about Ilha Grande and the famous beach Lopes Mendes, which is on the other side of Abrão, the main city, and so today we're going to talk about how to get there with the famous hike which lasts 3 hours. We've started our trail from the main city of Abrão. This is the main city of Ilha Grande, and probably you will have your hostel here. That's where this all the lifestyle happening. So the trail starts at the right side of the beach, and after 2 minutes walks, you directly land on another beach. So it's still Abrão, but after that you will see some panels, some directions that direct you through the jungle, and there's just one main trail to go from Abrão till Praia das Palmas, and after Praia de Mendes, and at the end Lopes Mendes. So the trail starts directly into the jungle. It's quite dense and very green but very beautiful, and the good things about jungles is that you don't feel the heat of the sun, as there's a huge canopy around you, like trees, so it's pretty fresh inside. At some point, sometimes you have nice views around the whole bay of Abrão. We're still on this side, so right now the whole trail it's just climbing up to go on the other side of the island. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps the channel and myself to be able to do more videos like that. On our trail we've seen some animals like squirrels, spiders and also ants, so just be aware that those animals exist around you. After 1 hour trail, we finally arrived at our first beach, which is Playa Palmas. On this beach there is one main restaurant and few hostels. That's perfect for a retreat. It's very different from Abrão, where there's a lot of people there, while here it's way more chill, few people. You can still meet some and make new friends. We stopped there for having just one drink and taking some drone shots, as we know that later there is another beach with other restaurants. At the end of Playa Palmas, there is the trail that continues to Lopes Mendes, and we are taking it. The vegetation is already quite different. You can see there's less jungle and it's more bushy. And so right now the weather and the warmth start to kick in a lot. So don't forget to bring some water with you. After 40 minutes of hike, we arrive at our second bay, which is two different beaches, Praia dos Mendes and Praia do Poço. Be careful with the entrance, as you can see the bridge is a bit old right now. We've stopped at Praia do Mendes to have a nice meal, a classical prato feito. It was super good and with a very decent price. I don't remember exactly the price, but I wasn't that surprised. And Praia do Poço, there's a lot of speedboats and escuna, so that's the endpoint, the terminal for all the speedboats that starts from Abrão and wants to bring people to Lopes Mendes. So that's here where we've bought our ticket to go back to Abrão. We felt that doing the same hike going back, it's a bit too much in one day. So we've booked our tickets to go back. The last speedboats, it's around 7:30 or 6 p.m. So just have this in mind if you go to the beach, to Lopes Mendes on the other side, and you have to come back here. So Lopes Mendes, it's not finished yet. We have to still do a hike of 15-20 minutes to go on the other side of these mountains. And so finally we arrive at the marvelous beach of Lopes Mendes. I have to tell you, it's really amazing. The sand is really thin, it's really surprising to touch it. The beach is infinite. I don't know how many kilometers long it is, but it's very, very long. We were surprised by the number of people that were there, and also very lush green all around us. So you had three main colors that just catch your eyes, which is the sand, the waves that are really huge on this side, plus this jungle around you. We also at some point on the way back meet some micos. That's the small monkeys of Ilha Grande and Rio de Janeiro. It's super nice to see them. Be careful though, some of them may bite, but with me or when I saw them, I never saw this behavior. You can also give them bananas. Normally they're quite chill, but just be careful. I've seen some videos where they were a bit aggressive. Don't hesitate to drop a like if you like it and a comment if you would like to feed them some bananas. So coming back to the speedboats, we had to wait a little bit as they were organizing groups, but we finally took it and went back to Abalon this way, which takes something like 15 to 20 minutes as well. The landscape is quite beautiful, super nice to coming back by boat, super fast as well. And yeah, that was the end of this trip. Super nice, super cool. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps the channel and myself to be able to do more videos like that.